a 732-byte Python script, 10 lines of code, and it gives anyone full root access to nearly every Linux machine on the planet. No tricks, no timing games, just run it and you're in.
Welcome to the world of AI-powered exploit discovery. Welcome to hell.
Meet CopyFail CVE 2026-31431, publicly disclosed on April 29, 2026, and it's already shaking the Linux security world to its core. Here's the terrifying part. This bug has been hiding inside the Linux kernel since 2017. Nearly a decade, sitting silently inside the kernel's cryptographic subsystem, waiting. The flaw is a logic error in how Linux handles memory during certain crypto operations. By chaining two kernel interfaces, the AFALG crypto socket and the splice system call, an unprivileged local user can inject 4 controlled bytes into the in-memory cache of any readable file on the system. Target a set UID binary like user/bin/su, and you've handed yourself the keys to the kingdom without ever touching the file on disk. That last part is what keeps sysadmins up at night. Standard file integrity tools see nothing. No dirty flag, no forensic trace. The disk is clean, the damage is invisible. CopyFail doesn't just hit one Linux flavor, it hits all of them. Ubuntu, Red Hat Enterprise, Amazon Linux, SUSE, Debian. If you've been running a kernel built between 2017 and today, you're on the list. That's effectively the entire modern Linux ecosystem. And unlike its famous predecessor, Dirty Pipe, this exploit doesn't need to win a race condition, doesn't require kernel offsets, and doesn't need recompilation. One script. Every distro, 100% reliability. Oh, and it breaks out of containers. That cloud-native run untrusted code in a container defense? CopyFail laughs at it, because the page cache is shared across the entire host. What makes this story even wilder is how it was found. An AI security tool called ZintCode scanned the Linux crypto subsystem for about 1 hour, with a single prompt, and surfaced this 9-year-old bug. The good news? The upstream fix is already in the kernel, committed April 1st. Debian, Ubuntu, and SUSE have begun shipping patches. Red Hat initially hesitated, but reversed course and is patching promptly. CERT EU has issued an advisory urging immediate action. Until your kernel is patched, the recommended workaround is to disable the ALGIF_AEAD module, a one-liner that blocks the attack vector without affecting encryption tools like SSH, LUKS, or OpenSSL. CopyFail is a reminder that even the most trusted, most scrutinized software in the world can carry silent, devastating flaws for years. Patch fast, and maybe start wondering, if AI found this in an hour, what else is still out there? Drop a comment below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.